Hello class, welcome to another edition of Coach Tom's Physical Education Virtual Learning class. Today's exercise is going to be a breathe easy, which we're going to be focusing on stretching, our breathing, and our flexibility. Alright, so let's begin. Well, actually first let's go over what we're going to be doing. Sorry about that. We're going to go over our arms above head stretch. As it says, you're going to take a deep breath as you're going up, hold the count, exhale. Same thing for your arms raised. And we're going to do a calf raise and then a shoulder stretch. And we're going to do each one of those 5 times in total, and then we'll be done. All right. So let's begin. We're going to go with arms above our head. So as we're going arms above our head, we're going to take a breath and count to 5. So arms above. And as I bring my arms down, I exhale and take the breath out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 2. So like I said, we're going to do this 5 times. 4, 5, 3, 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. And we should be breathing in through our nose and then exhaling out through our mouth, making sure that we're getting oxygen up into our brain. Very important. Okay, so next we're going to do the arms raised. So after we did the arms above our head, now we're going to go arms raised. All right, same method. Deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one way you can look at it is like you're inflating yourself up. When you're taking the breath, you're getting the oxygen, you're inflating, so you're getting puffed up. And then after the 5 seconds, you're deflating yourself by going the 5 seconds by exhaling, getting the oxygen out. All right. So next we're going to go on to our calf raises. So go into our legs area. All right. So here we go. Same thing. We're still lifting up on our breath, and then counting to 5, and then exhaling as we're on our release. Here we go. So there's 2. And it's okay if you lose your balance. As you saw, I just lost my balance there. I want to recapture my feet here, make sure I'm getting good balance. There's 3. 4, and last one. And all we're doing there is just getting on the front part of our toes, the balls of our feet, and balancing on the balls of our feet there. Sorry, I should have explained it being there. But, all right. And our last stretch now, we're going to move on to our shoulder stretches. So to do this, we get our arms behind our back, and we want to extend and push. As you can see, I'm going to push out back this way. All right, pushing back to extend those shoulders and get that flex. It's much like it. And same thing, we're taking our deep breath as we kind of go with put our arms behind our back. And then when we extend, we're taking that breath and holding that count there. And then we'll exhale and bring it back. All right, so let's begin. There's 3. There's 4. And there's 5. And that'll do it for our today's breathing easy exercise. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great day.